person here. So I know that he have a lot of things to say. So once again, I would like to invite Adrian to give a short speech because he likes to talk. If possible, he wants to talk until tomorrow. But then I said,
give him a time.
So since His Excellency have arrived a bit earlier, so he have a little bit time. So, yeah.
Thank you, Alice. I'm very humbled when to have His Excellency to visit our center. Yeah, it's also very historical because 20 years ago we started this humble place. Little that we know that we will reach to this point, but it was a very small but very meaningful support from the British High Commissioner back then through the British High Com Office in KL to sponsor that time Tonibung youths. We saw youths that time 20 years ago, and we built this center because we know that we want to serve our community. At that time, we were thinking about how can we provide something that is water and sanitation those days, and we also very fortunate because PACOS actually provide us the exposure to see all those remote communities in Sabah and also in Sarawak, and it inspired a lot of our youths here in Nampasan to actually build this center. And we don't know anything about construction those days, so initially we thought, okay, let's build this center as part of a learning for our generation, to learn about the traditional methods of building. That's why I did explain to His Excellency about the bamboo and how it is the knowledge about bamboo is been lost in our community, because everybody is building using concrete these days, plywood and all those other materials, but we have forgot the nature. The material is so important. So it was a very important learning experience for us in Tonibung. And we did not anticipate that we are going to be a training center and eventually doing renewable energy. But here we are. We have seen how we develop, but with support from different partners. I have to mention here the Green Empowerment from Portland, USA, who have supported us to do a lot of those technology transfer. And of course, EWB UK, Indigenous Without Borders UK, because that for 7 consecutive years sending us placement engineers, very experienced engineers. They're not fresh grads. You can see Dan is one of those placement engineers that came here, but he continued to serve us and provided all those technology transfer continuously for our team and also the movement here in Sabah. I was also very honored because of this visit. We are able to do a lot of things under UKPAC. I think for us, rural electrification is very near to our heart, because having worked towards providing electricity for kampong for many years, for about 20 years now in Tonibung, so we have seen the gaps that needs to be addressed in Sabah. But we have tried a lot of demo projects. We have built over 40 community-based projects now, but still there's a gap that needs to be addressed, particularly in regards to policies and how to fund these projects and having more participation from our government, and particularly our state government and federal government. I was a senator for a term, so I tried to bring a lot of these issues to Parliament, but unfortunately a lot of those have fallen into deaf ear. So it's so blessed to have UK PAC to support and having the confidence on us to do this undertaking. And I think the roadmap have provided us very insightful data and also where to go next in our journey. So once again, I'd like to thank everybody, especially our supporters, our local leaders, our neighbors who have been with us throughout the years to actually use this center to help our youths, especially to provide the technology know-how and also the experience needed for them to also progress and also build their kampong. So once again, thank you very much. We are very honored to have you visiting our center, and we hope that this kind of cooperation can continue in many, many more years. Thank you very much.
Different organization. So giving birth to Tonibung and now doing something we're very proud, and we are also very happy to be part of the consortium for this project today. So I just want to say thank you very much for the support, and we are now starting and planning for the next phase. Yeah, and so all our friends here. Yeah, that's all that I have to say. Back to Alice.
Thank you, Madam Anne. And also on behalf of the consortium, I would also like to invite Cynthia. Just a little bit of speech. I hope you don't mind to say this.
Thank you, Alice. A lot of pressure when someone says little bit. Thank you for coming. It's one thing to receive the support. It's one other thing to receive the presence of the supporter. We've greatly appreciated this opportunity to integrate the work of our various organizations, PACOS, Tonibung, Forever Sabah, and Green Empowerment, and take it to a different level, which we hope will become systemic for Sabah as well as for Malaysia. So the roadmap is, we hope will pave the way for the future for energy for Sabah, as well as an alignment with climate ambitions for the country. It was very interesting. It is very interesting to work as an organization, united. It's like our teams are coming together. There's 100 over people almost working towards that vision, and it's like the walls of the organizations are dissolving so that we're working as one. And as we roll the roadmap out, addressing the hopefully 200 plus villages that are unelectrified, I think it'll take us to another level in terms of how to deliver that. So yeah, thank you. Nice to see Penampang show up here today.
It's great.
What does that mean?
The place, yeah.
Yeah. So this is hand woven. Yeah.
Okay, so I like to use normally it's worn as a sash for men.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can do
Nice.
sumazao.
And these are the products that we saw just now. This is already the powdered ginger.
Oh, wonderful.
This is from the community.
And this is
That's ginger. The normal ginger. This is turmeric.
turmeric. Oh, wow. Thank you
So
so much.
hopefully with the solar dryer, that's very exciting. And this is black pepper. It's all from the community.
From here.
Yes.
Oh, wow, wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, we use a lot of turmeric in ginger. Cooking, so that's really...
And we can do
We can export it
sumazao.
to the UK. Yes, yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Okay. Keep it here.